Warning, this channel is for adults and is for educational purposes. Now, this little lady right here is Super Boof clone. She is a 50-50 sativa indica strain. I had her in the wrong light originally and transplanted her into gallon, I think, pots. Here, I'm just making sure the moisture is good and her water is good, getting a watering schedule. And I also was doing some LST, low stress training, and letting those branches stretch to hopefully work into topping. Then I did some self-care. And here we are, LST complete. So join us on the journey for these girls, and I'll be uploading every week and stories. Like and subscribe for more.